Oh yeah, recording.
Okay, so we're here at the garden walk at Anaheim because Hannah's friend has like an art show. But then we stumbled upon like people at booths and it looked like they were getting free food. And so we got a free one and we're trying all this fun stuff. So yeah, this is our first one.
What is it?
Seared scallops with rice and slaw. And then there's a carrot cake. Carrot cake is dipped in white chocolate, he said.
Mmm. Okay, try it.
Oh, okay. Ooh. Looks like a one bite kind of thing.
Is it good? Alright, so we just finished our day at the garden boardwalk, if that's what it's called. So they had a few restaurants with samplers that we could try, and we had like 3 or 4 of them. We didn't get to all of them, but my favorite was the meat one. The what was it? Grasslands. The meat and the potato and the veggies. So yeah, hopefully we'll stumble on some cool new adventures along the way. See you next time. Bye.